Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Knowledge. To get notification of my YouTube channel, please like, share, and subscribe and press bell icon button. KSLU University has prescribed you the syllabus for 5-year LLB students in English language, that is Law and Lawyers by MK Gandhi. So the university has given 100 marks for theory examination, and the minimum examination passing marks you have to score 40 marks to be passed in the examination. Today, let us explain you the syllabus for BA LLB students in English subject. You will be having Law and Lawyers, the text by MK Gandhi. Now I will explain you the syllabus. I'll give you the details of the syllabus. That is the unit 1, Law and Lawyers. You will be having long question and answers and also short notes. Long questions, that is for 10 marks or for 16 marks you will be having, and 6 marks for short notes. Next, unit 2. Unit 2, the first one, legal words, phrases, and idioms. Legal words that will be prescribed in your syllabus, the words which is used in a court language. And the next one, articles. Articles, next types of articles. Next, parts of speech. You will be having parts of speech. This is not for the narration. It's only about a knowledge purpose. And next, you will be having identification of errors. Identification of errors. There will be a mistakes in the sentence formation, but you have to correct the errors. And next, types of sentences. Types of sentences you will be having for 4 marks. Then transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences, that is from simple sentences to complex sentences and complex sentences to comparative sentences. Next is transformation, change of voice. Change of voice is nothing but active voice and passive voice. They'll give the sentences for 5 sentences, and that will be mixed of both active and passive voice. Active voice, you have, if the sentence is in active voice, you have to convert the sentence into a passive voice. If it is in a passive voice, then you have to convert the sentence into active voice. Next is reported speech. Reported speech, you know, that is direct speech and indirect speech. If the sentence is in the direct speech, you have to convert the sentence into indirect speech, and if it is in a indirect sentence, then you have to write in a direct sentence. So you will be having that for 5 marks. Next is idioms. Idioms, they'll be given some 6 words. Among that idioms, you have to make your own sentence, that is phrases wise, phrases in like phrases. And the last one is legal words. That is minimum 6 to 8 words they'll be given, and you have to make use of those legal words, and you have to make a own sentence of by using those legal words. So this is about unit 2. Now we move on to unit 3. Unit 3, you will be having letter writing. Letter writing, either it may be an official letters, formal letters, informal letters, or personal letters. Next is paragraph writing. Paragraph writing, you'll get one topic. Relating to that topic, you have to give the detailed information that is about a paragraph, that is for 5 marks. And even either it may be a paragraph writing or a report writing. There will be a choice in both. Either they may ask paragraph writing or they may ask report writing. So this is also for 5 marks. Next is precis writing. Precis writing, the paragraph will be given, and you have to precise the sentences and the words, and you have to make one paragraph. That is precise writing. Next is cohesive writing. This is optional, and this is also you will be having a choice between a precise writing and cohesive writing, and you won't get any cohesive writing, I think so. And the last one is letter writing. Again, they have mentioned the letter writing. Either it may be a formal letters or a personal letters. If otherwise, there will be a choice in between of formal letters and informal letters. This is about Unit 3. Now we move on to Unit 4. Unit 4, that is essay rating. Essay rating topics will be given, and in that you have to write in the paragraph wise about that particular topic, the details and the importance, characteristics, merits, demerits, etc. You have to make the topic a very powerful, that is essay writing. Next is notices. So, guys, you know that notices is very important while you go to practice in the court. So, notice how you're writing, that is a format of notice, how to uh, give notices to the people. That is examples or the format that will be asked by them, and you have to create a notice and you have to write for 5 marks. Next is, again they have mentioned legal words. Next is use of cohesive devices. The devices, cohesive devices, the uses you have to write. This is also an optional. You won't get in the examination. And the last one is affidavit and petitions. So affidavit and petitions, this is a format you have to write, how to write an affidavit and how to write the petitions. Examples they'll mention, and you have to write that affidavits or the petitions. This is also for 5 marks. This is about Unit 4. Now we move on to Unit 5. The last unit, that is Unit 5. Again they have mentioned the translation here. Translation, that is English language, from English language to Kannada, and Kannada languages to Kannada language to English. There will be a paragraph, and you have to translate that paragraph into English to Kannada or to Kannada to English. That is also for 5 marks. And the last one is the passage writing. It is also called as comprehension passages. Comprehension passages, that means passage will be given, and you have, and questions will be asked. I think 5 questions they may ask, and you have to read that passage and write, though among the in that passage you have to try to understand that passage, and you have to write the answers for that passage questions. So this is about the details of the syllabus. For this syllabus is only for 5-year LLB students. So in my next video I will try to explain the details of the first unit. I'll start with my one by one the details. So you to get my notification, to get notification of my channel, so please like, share and subscribe. So thank you guys, thank you one and all, thank you.